Look at this tree, Sifu. I cannot make it blossom when it suits me, nor make it bear fruit before its time.
You think you are in control of your life? Think again. Most of what happens isn't up to you. But here is the real question. Why do we spend so much time worrying about things we can't even change? We try to control everything, our future, relationships, how others see us. We obsess over whether someone likes us or not. We stress about things like traffic, bad weather, or unexpected failure. We believe that if we just work hard enough, plan enough, stress enough, we can force things to go our way. But here is the hard truth. We control way less than we think. Psychologists call this the illusion of control. The belief that we have more power over the events than we do. It's actually a mental trick which makes us feel safe. Why do gamblers think they can will the dice to roll a certain number? Why do people tap elevator buttons multiple times thinking it will make it arrive faster? Why do some CEOs think that they can predict the economy even when a lot of experts fail at it?
The real question is this: was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
Let me give you a few examples of illusions of control. You think you are late for an important meeting, stuck in traffic. You're fumming, honking, stressing, wishing you could control the cars ahead. But no matter how much you wish, the traffic is not in your control. However, your reaction is. Ever tried convincing someone to love you, forgive you, or stay in your life? No matter how much you try, the emotions are not yours to control. But how you move forward, that's yours. You can work insanely hard, but you still can't guarantee success. Maybe the market shifts, maybe someone else gets the opportunity. You don't control the outcome, only the effort. Ask yourself if this is something you can control. If not, let it go. Your thoughts, actions, and attitude are in your control. Others people's opinions, the past, external events, out of your control. Step 1. Differentiate between what you can and what you can't control. Step 2. Master your response. Instead of trying to control events, control your reaction. Stuck in traffic? Listen to a podcast instead of raging. Someone ghosted you? Move on instead of chasing closure. A project failed? Learn from it instead of blaming external factors. Step 3. Accept uncertainty and let go of the need for control. Life is unpredictable. The more you try to force control, the more you suffer. The moment you accept uncertainty, you free yourself. The happiest people are not the ones who control everything. They're the ones who control themselves. So the next time you're stressing about something, ask yourself, is this something you can control? If not, let it go. If this helped, subscribe because you are all trying to level up.